Hey guys, what's up? This is Shori from eGadgets for you, and in this video I will show you guys how to cast your mobile phone to your PC or laptop, or vice versa, means how to cast your screen of your PC or your laptop into your mobile phones. This particular step is applicable to Android as well as iPhones, so you don't have to worry about there, and of course it's absolutely free. So without further ado, let us just go ahead and find out how to do it. So guys, I'm in the working mode angle again, and before starting the video, of course I want to make sure of the fact that what is casting. It's actually the similar thing that you do with your Netflix or your Amazon Prime subscription, and you actually cast your phone on your smart TV. So this is entirely the separate thing. It's not a mirror link, but actually it will show your screen of the phone or the screen of your particular laptop or your PC on your phones, vice versa. The thing is that whatever you do either in the PC or in the phone, it will be casted to the other device in which you are working. So it's actually helping you in remote access, and also in the meetings where you are only accessible with the mobile. So you have to do something with the mobile, show with the mobile, and show your mobile screen also in the laptop in the meetings and all, or for streaming purposes also. So this is casting, and it's actually pretty much helpful because nowadays most of the works are being done from home. So now let's get to it and let's find out how to do it. From the next screen onwards, you will see the screen recording. So what I'll do is that at first I'll go ahead and open Chrome, and over here I will go to this particular website that says letsview.com. It's absolutely free. I'll put the link in the description as well. So once this particular screen comes, you see that of course it allows you to download for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and as well as for your TV, smart TVs as well. So it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and download, and it will ask you to download. So I'll download this particular thing in the desktop, and you will see at the bottom that it has started the download over here. And of course it has completed the download as well. So here is a file, as you can see. I'll just go ahead and double click on that and it will install. So as you can see, the installation screen comes. I'll just select English over here and follow the steps as next. I accept the agreement. If you have time, go ahead and read it. End of the day, you have to accept it. So next, yes, installing in the C drive. You can create a quick launch shortcut as well as a desktop shortcut as you wish so, and click install. Okay, the installation has been done. As you can see, it is completed over here, and the icon has come over here and it says launch. Yes, I'll select launch and finish over here. So you see that this particular software has launched over here, and for now it will not do anything because I have not connected my phone as of yet. So yes, you can see it says failed to connect. So I'll just go ahead and close this for now, and I'll download the app in my mobile. So now I'm going ahead and installing in my mobile. So you will see the screen view of my mobile from now onwards, and I'll go to Play Store. Since I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to Play Store, and if you are actually using iPhone, you can go to the App Store as well. And over here also, let me just go ahead and open Let's View. You see that it comes over here. The first app that comes in the search, this is the particular app. Go ahead and install. Once it installs, I'll just go ahead and open it as well. So it asks for some like allow access to photos, media files and all. You have to give access to that, and for the location I'll just select allow while using the app because that is the most recommended option. Now most importantly, you must make sure that your mobile phone and your laptop or your PC that you want to cast to both are running in the same Wi-Fi connection, which is currently doing as of now over here. My mobile as well as my laptop is actually connected. Now what you need to do is that you see this redetect button that is highlighted in red or orangish over there. You need to click on that, but before doing so, you need to open this Let's View application in your PC or your laptop as well. So from the next screen onwards, I will screen record my laptop screen, and I'll just show you this also. So let's find out how it does and how it happens. So what I'm doing is that I'm just going ahead and opening this Let's View application at first in my laptop. It's open, and now as you can see in the mobile screen, I'm going ahead and selecting redetect. So yes, it has detected my laptop screen that says Let's View Homing. So it's the name of my laptop. So yes, I have selected that, and now you see the option that says phone screen mirroring or computer screen mirroring. Now let me tell you what is this actually. If you select phone screen mirroring, so your mobile phone or your Android phone that currently I'm using, this will be actually casted to my laptop, and if I select computer screen mirroring, then the laptop screen will be cast back in my particular mobile. I'll show you both the options. At first, let me just go ahead and select phone screen mirroring. So now what I'm doing is that I'm just going ahead and selecting phone screen mirroring over here. It asks me to give access to record audio, so I do that and hit start now. Now if you see in my particular screen over here, let me just minimize this particular thing, and you see it's actually casting the screen of my phone. Now let me show you in this in the bottom right corner of the screen. Let me show you. I'm just doing whatever things over here is just showing in my laptop, as you can see also. So I'm just swiping over there, I'm just going ahead and just swiping up, and then again coming down, swiping down. So again I'm just doing these particular things. I'm just going over there, here and there, and these stuff that I'm doing in my mobile, it's actually casting in the screen as well of my laptop. Now I want to show you certain more things, like if you follow the screen of the laptop right now, you will see that at the top it says brush. Now if I select brush over here, and for example say I'm just giving you a demonstration on my mobile in particular meeting, so I'm just going ahead and selecting this, and what I'll do is that if I just go to a screen, do the screen like that also, it will be pinpointed always, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and again add some more brushes over here. So it will actually enable you, like if you're having a meeting or you have to show something to the other person on the other side of the meeting, then what you need to do is that you can just brush it over there. And also you can undo over here. You just click undo and it will go along like that. Go ahead and select the color. I can select any color as I wish. See, it changes the color as well. If I click on exit, that particular thing also goes off. And again, if I go over here, you see there are other options that says full screen. If I select on full screen, you see that it changes to full screen over here in the particular PC. So it's actually very much important, or actually it's very much easier to show people in the meeting for this particular thing also. And if you want to take a screenshot, just go ahead and click a screenshot successfully. If you click to open, you can click that. And this is the most important thing I want to show you. See this record screen over there. I just click record, and what I'm doing, I'm just browsing through my mobile. I'm just opening this particular app that has been developed by my own company, as I am into app developments and website developments as well. So just go ahead and you see that this particular thing is actually screening, I mean to say recording the cast of my mobile over here also. So it's a great deal, as you can see. So yes, I'm just checking the mobile. For example, say this app is being currently under development, so I'm just going in and checking it, and it's cast the screens over there, and it's also recorded over there. So now once the recording is done, I'll go ahead and hit stop, and what it does is that it asks me that recording is finished. You can go ahead and open the folder as well. So I just select open folder. I have to exit the full screen at first over there, and you see it opens the screen of the recording. You see the recording that I have done has come over here. So it's a great thing. You see, you get a lot of features, and now most importantly, I want to show you some other thing as well. If you see that the recording that you are actually viewing over here, you can feel that this particular it's actually pixelated. If you see closely, it's not that highest resolution casting that is happening of my mobile in this particular laptop. That can also be fixed. Let me show you how. What we will do is that we will just go to the Let's View section of this particular app. I'll just click on these three horizontal lines. I'll go to settings, and you see the resolution over there. I'll just go ahead and select 2K, the maximum resolution that you can actually get. I'll just select that particular resolution, and you see you can do a lot of stuff over here. You can do a lot of playing around over here, whatever you like. The phone screen mirroring, decoding mode, the languages, always on top, run on top, whatever. You are there to play along with it. You can do whatever you feel like doing over there. But I want to show you how to change the resolution at first. So just go ahead and close this, and now when I minimize this particular screen, and again you have to close this session of course, and open my app, actually open the app over here again. So I open the app again in my mobile, and again I click on redetect on my mobile. As you can see, I just go ahead and click on redetect, and it's searching my laptop over here. Yes, it has found my laptop, so I'll just go ahead and select that. Phone screen mirroring, start now, and see now the mirroring has again started, and if you see closely, the resolution has improved a lot over here. If you see the particular screen of my mobile, the resolution has improved a lot over here. You can see So if I just go ahead and open Kindle for now, you see that this particular casting is also going on properly, no issues whatsoever, and everything is smooth and everything is fine, and you can do whatever like I've showed you. Now I'll do the opposite. I'll cast my laptop screen in my mobile, and that I'll show you how to do so and what happens. Okay, now again, as you can see that this particular screen I have opened in my laptop, and also I have actually opened the app in my mobile as well. And again, I'll just go ahead and click on this orange button that says read detect. I'll just click on read detect, and it's detecting, and yes, it has detected my laptop. So I'll just go ahead and select this, and again it gives me the option of computer screen mirroring and phone screen mirroring, as you can see properly over here. If I just like tap to focus on that, and yes, I'll just go ahead and select this particular option that says computer screen mirroring. I'll just go ahead and select it. So now you see in my laptop it asks me that it receives to allow my computer screen sharing. So I'll just go ahead and allow it. Once I have allowed it, now you see that my computer screen has come to my laptop. What I'll do is that I'll just screen record my laptop, and I'll show you how it works again. Okay, now guys, as you can see my mobile screen as well, which I am actually screen recording, and I'm just going ahead and working in my laptop. If you see, I open Chrome, I just go over there, and I'll just go ahead and select youtube.com, and I will go ahead and search for my channel eGadgets for you. Just go ahead and select that, open my channel. You see everything is actually casting from the laptop into my particular mobile as well. So it's a great deal, as you can see. Now of course I want to make sure that you want to show you actually certain things. Now follow the screen recording of my mobile over here, because these are the things that I really want to show you, and it's pretty much important. Over here you will see on the right hand side it says brush. I'll just go to that particular section. I'll just select this, select a screen, and I'll just go ahead and put a mark, and you see that the mark appears in the laptop as well. I say hi, and yes, there is some latency effect, but yes, more or less it's working. So it's a great deal for meetings as well. You can actually show the particular thing or draw the particular thing in a mobile, and you can screen share your laptop and show those stuffs in the meeting as well. So it's a great deal, as you can see. So you get to change the colors as well. I'll go ahead and just select over there a green, and you see I'm just writing over there. It's so free and it's so dashing. You see that, yeah, it's working. Now again over here you find the option to record. As you can see over here, you can go ahead and go sorry, my mistake, it's not for recording, it's actually changing the shape of that marker. As you can see, I've selected a bold one, so it's now bold right now. So you can do a lot of stuff with this particular thing, and this actually reflects on your laptop screen as well, as you can see. So more or less it's a great tool to have, and you can actually use it as per your wish, as per your will. Even for streaming purposes also you can do that. So end of the day, it's just a tool that is pretty much helpful in these testing times as well. Hope so this video was helpful for you. If you have liked this video, consider liking and sharing with your friends and families. Also, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bells so you stay updated with all the latest tech happenings in the channel. So that will be it guys for this particular video. Bye for now.